Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be unboxing all the presents that I've actually received on my birthday. He actually bought me this phone as my birthday present, guys, which is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to join me unboxing my Samsung N20 Ultra 5G and the rest of my birthday presents, please keep on watching. My hubby actually organized a pre-birthday lunch for me, which was on the 11th of October. So we've just had lunch with family and close friends on one of the restaurants here on the Gold Coast, guys. We're actually going to the Lone Star Steakhouse.
I mean rib.
Oh, Rib House, sorry. So it's a Lone Star Rib House. Oh, right here they are. There, guys.
Hello!
Hello, guys. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, makapali. Hello, na-surprise ako. And then on my actual birthday, my sister actually took me out for lunch to celebrate my birthday. And then on Thursday, on Thursday that week, my daughter actually took me out for lunch and took me out for shopping for that day. It's going to be showing with you guys now what we've got. Sure that you watch at the end of this video, guys, because that's when I'm going to be unboxing my Samsung phone and also the other big presents that were also received from my hubby. We went to H&M, guys. Okay, I've actually bought a couple of pants from H&M, which is these are pants. They've got like an elastic to it, so they were actually really nice pants. They're actually very comfortable. They were actually down to, so they were $29.99 down to $15. And this is also a different pants that we picked up from H&M. So this is actually originally $39.99 down to $17. So here I actually needed a new pants. Picked up a couple of tops from H&M. So this is just like a really nice long shirt top. And this was original retail for $24.99 and down to $10. And this one, the same price, guys, but it's actually a different color. So they're actually a very comfortable top. I went to Sports Girl and I was only able to pick up another plain black pants, and this was also on sale. Originally retail for $39.95 and picked it up for $20. We also went to Uniqlo. So this shirt here was $14.90. So it's just a plain black shirt, because I actually preferred wearing plain tops, guys. Get overwhelmed if I've got all these patterns going on my clothes, guys. So I preferred just a plain one. And also this is another one for Uniqlo, and this was actually it was originally for $14.90, and this was done for $9.90. So they've actually got a special clearance. I've actually picked up a big size, guys, because the material is actually stretchable. So I actually don't like a very tight top. I want it a little bit loose. Got a dress from Uniqlo. So this is just a plain dress, which is just below my knee, and this was actually $29.90. These are, guys, 100% cotton. We also went to Zara. Okay, I've also picked up a couple of tops from Zara. They were actually on special. So this top here, guys, it's a yellow top, and this was actually retail for $13.95. It was down to $17.95 from Zara. So it's just a plain black shirt, guys. So my daughter actually bought this for me. This is actually perfume from Zara, and this was retail for $35.95. So mind you, guys, they're all Australian dollars. And when I've actually, this is the amber linen 100 ml. When I've actually smelled it, oh my gosh, it was really beautiful. I've actually just tested out on my skin first, and then we were actually walking around, and all I can smell is myself. And you know, and it actually lasted whole day too, guys. I just can't really describe the smell of this, but it's a really nice smell, guys. My husband actually been asking me for longest time if we're actually going to get the Google Assistant at home. Bought me this, a couple of the Google Nest audio. Hey Google, so you can actually say, hey Google, play some music, turn up the volume, what song is this, play my dinner playlist, remind me to buy milk tomorrow, what's the weather this weekend, turn on the lights. So it is a Google Assistant, this one, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this one up. There we go. Oh, there you go, guys. So this is how it looks like, guys. So there's a power. So it's just got the plug-in power, guys, and then it's got the plug in here. So it is quite heavy, guys. You got your manual in the box. So yeah, so I'm really excited to start using this, guys. He actually bought me this phone as my birthday present, guys, which is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. Because my current phone's actually started playing up now. Also got the Samsung, just this one here. This is actually a really old now, guys. Actually had this one for over 8 years now, guys. And he was able to finally get this for me. I mean, with me and my husband, we actually don't really buy like expensive presents to each other, only if we actually needed it. Especially you know, I take a lot of quick videos and photos, so I'm more like a quick and a really good quality camera on my phone, guys. I've always been using Samsung, so that's actually my favorite thing. Actual phone, see how big it is, guys. With the care, so he actually bought this directly from Samsung website, guys. So I'm really quite happy how quick they've actually delivered it to our house. It's also come with a charger, so it's got like a USB charger, and also come in a plug, so that the actual plug to charge your phone. Yeah. And then it's also got your earphones, so so it's also got your earphone. This nice camera at the back, guys. A lot of good reviews about this phone, guys. So yes, I'm really excited, guys. Phone cases for my new phone from eBay. So I also got this case here, guys. So these are actually a very affordable to get cases from eBay, guys, because if you're just gonna go directly from the shops, they're actually very expensive. So this is like a really heavy duty case, guys. And this is also another one, and also got this what do you call this one, the phone ring stand built into it, protector, guys. So this is like a called the tempered glass, so it means, you know, if you accidentally drop your phone, you know, you actually get that protection on your screen. This is the camera protector, so it's got that camera protector there, guys. That also bought that separately, so they like similar to the tempered glass on the actual front screen. And also got another, I've also got like 3 different cases. So this is another case that I've got. It's just like a rubber cases, but it's actually got a really good quality rubber case, guys. Also from TK Maxx, I've also bought the separate ring stand. I'm only gonna give you feedback, guys, with my new phone, and also with our Google Assistant that we'll be gonna be using it at home. Guys, comment down below, guys, what video you want to watch next. Down below, guys, if you're currently using the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, I'd love to hear your feedback, guys. Also, if you're using the Google Nest Audio, guys, I would like to hear your feedback too, guys. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.